Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon, and today we're going to be opening another box of the Lost Caverns of Ixalan from Magic the Gathering set boosters. So, maybe I also should start opening the boxes while I'm still doing the intro, but I don't care. It's tradition, so we do it that way. And we shall see what the box giveth. Of course, we have another box topper. Let's see what we get here. And we get the excitement, a chromatic orrery. That's actually pretty good. I keep that. Of course. So, let's dig in. 30 packs to go. That's quite a lot to open. We start with a full art forest. That's always nice. And we get a 1000 Moons Smithy, or on the backside, the Barracks of 1000. And a full Rumbling Rockslide. And Bottle Gnomes. Everybody likes Bottle Gnomes. They give you free life when you sacrifice them. And then you can get them back, and they give you another free life. And we have another full, well, not another for this box, but in previous boxes we got those full art mountains as well. So another full art mountain. And here we get a Deep Root Pilgrimage. Also very cool card for Merfolk Tribal. And a foil Soyova Lava Tongue. And a token replacement card. Not token replacement card, but double-faced replacement card. Let's get it right. Come on, people. Moving on to the next pick. We have an Aklatzotz, the Deepest Betrayal. I really would like to get, and a Temple of the Dead. We really would like to get the other gods, please. A Deep Goblin Skull Taker in foil, and a Skeleton Pirate. Moving on. Let's see what we get. Maybe not Aklatzotz. We get a Permission Denied from the Jurassic Park sub-series. A Hulking Raptor, that's a cool one. And a Fungal Fortitude in foil. As well as a Fungus. How fitting. On to the next pack we go. I saw Tiffing Blade there. Tiffing Blade is cool. We have an Abuelo Ancestral Echo. In the alternate art treatment, we have Terrian's Soul Cleaver, a foil Geological Appraiser, and a Dinosaur Token. Free one. On to the next pack we go. Starting with a Hidden Cataract. And a very lovely extended art Restless Anchorage. A Trumpeting Carnosaur. I heard it's quite good. A Tinker's Toad and an Ether card. Moving on, we have a foil Hidden Necropolis. And we have a Souls of the Lost, a foil Iron Paw Aspirant, and a Treasure Token. Actually, a Jurassic Treasure Token. we have a extended art Earthshaker Dreadmore, a alternate art Kutzil Malamet Exemplar, a Sovereign Okinek Ahau, or however you pronounce it, a foil Glorifier of Suffering, and from the guests, a Underworld Breach. That's also a cool one. Having, of course, quite the sizable Legacy collection. I already have 4 of those. Moving on, we have Kellan, the Daring Traveler. We have a foil Abrade, that's a nice one. And we have a Royal Trooper from the list. That's not very exciting. We have a full art island in the next pack. We have a Jade Light Spelunker and a foil Canonized in Blood. Moving on to the next pack. Where we have a foil Hidden Nursery. We have a Bedrock Tortoise. And a foil Adaptive Gem Guard and an Angel token. On to the next pack we go with a full art foil Plains. A Hackball of the Surging Soul, the face of the Murfolk commander deck. Very powerful, very, very powerful. We have a Jurassic Island. We have Sahili, the Sun's Brilliance. Ah, that's a good pack, I can feel it. A Disruptor Wonderglyph in foil and a Dinosaur token. Also a Jurassic Dinosaur token, actually. Pretty cool. Moving on to the next pack. Can we beat that one? Let's see. We have a Palanis Hatcher. And we have a foil Abuelo Ancestral Echo, which is looking quite cool. And an ad card. On to the next pack we go. Oh, that's also some pretty sick art. Clavelino, First of the Blessed. We have a full art forest in here. And we have a Throne of the Grim Captain, as well as then on the other side, of course, the Grim Captain. And a Death Cap Marionette in foil. Moving on, we have some very lovely art. Should be Aklatsov. No, it's actually the blood letter of Aklatsovs. The art is cool. We have a Swamp, full art. And an extended art Rampaging Ceratops. An Ore-rich Stalactite. And of course on the other side, a Cosmium Catalyst. We have a Roaming Throne. That's also a nice hit. And a foil Walk with the Ancestors. As well as a gnome. Moving on. Let's see what we get. Got a regular art Tishana's Tidebinder, a foil Sage of Days, and from the list we get Baird, Steward of Archive, which is also quite a decent card actually. Small prison for you and your planeswalkers. Moving on. We have a extended art Scythe Claw Raptor. An Akal Pakal, first among equals. Growing Rise of Itlimok. Unfortunately lost quite a bit of value from being reprinted in the set. And of course on the other side, Itlimok Cradle of the Sun, which is basically Chaos Cradle. We have a Kaparokti Sunborn and a Magic minigame. Moving on. Let's see what we have here. We have a Dire Flail, of course on the other side a Dire Blunderbuss. We have Staggering Size for our foil and a Jurassic Treasure token. Moving on to the next pack, we have a Full Art Plains. We have a Warden of the Inner Sky, We have an Over the Edge in foil, and we have Barrow Witches from the list. On to the next pack we go, where we have a foil Hidden Courtyard. We have a Jurassic Mountain, a Starving Revenant, a foil Sahelis Lettuce, and of course we get double the foil fun with the backside and the Mastercraft Raptor. And then some stencils. On to the next pack we go. Starting with the Hidden Nursery. Going into an Anim Pakal, 1000th Moon. And we have the Ancient One in foil. Quite foily. And a Zombie Apocalypse from the list. That's also a cool one for everybody who likes zombies. Moving on. I think first printing actually in his chart, I'm guessing, but not 100% sure off the top of my head. So in the next pack we have Abuelo's Awakening and a foil Scythe Claw Raptor and a replacement card for double-faced cards. On to the next pack we go, with a foil Promising Vein, another Tiffing Blade, and the Belligerent, a foil Rampaging Ceratops, and a Dirt Water Wraith from the list. Moving on, we have a Restless Prairie and a foil Queen's Bay Paladin, also very shiny. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get. A Extended Art Belligerent Yearling. We get a Quintorius Cunt. That's nice. And a foil Dinotomaton. I guess would be the proper pronunciation. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we have here. We have a sunken citadel and a foil shipwreck sentry. 4 packs left to go. Let's see what the end of the box holds in store for us. A foil captivating cave. Always cool. And we have a extended art Restless Prairie. That's quite cool. An intrepid paleontologist. Foil whaling pirates and a map token. Moving on to the next pack. Where we have a full art swamp. And we also have a whale of the Forgotten, not a wall. A foil plundering pirate and a fungus token. 2 packs left to go. We start with a full art mountain, of course, as we deserve. We go into a molten collapse and a, that's a nice one, a foil growing rights of Itlimok. Oh, the foiling is also very nice. And of course double the foil fun on the backside with Itlimok, Cradle of the Sun. Curious how the foil affects the price on this one. I shall see once I put them all together. So last pack, let's see what we get. We get a fabrication foundry, a foil Malamet brawler, and a gnome. So this has been another box here on this channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I will be seeing you at the next one.